All right. So I said that rectangle J and rectangle N are similar, and their scale factor would be 1.5x and 1.5y.
So let's just write.
Sorry.
Let's just write. Hold on a second. So scale factor from J to N is 1.5.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Molly, you're up. So that's all we're looking for.
So I said that the scale factor from, there was a scale factor from
Who's next?
L to J, and I thought that scale factor was times 2.
All right, Carson, yours. Who wants to go after Avery? Who wants to go after Avery?
So I thought the scale factor from O to R was times 2.
Okay. Go ahead, Avery. Let's switch the color real quick.
Okay.
Who wants to go after Josie?
So I said R and S were similar. So that's from there to there. The scale factor was times 1.5. So X 1.5.
Okay, so I thought M and L were the same. And that scale factor is 3.
I thought that L and N were similar. And that is times 3.
One more thing.
I'll do it.
Okay, go.
And then I thought that O and S were similar. And that scale factor is 3.
So we have one of the most common mistakes. We have one of the most common mistakes on the board, and it all stems from that example that we had with the broken pencil, right? So the pencil and the broken pencil had the same height, did they not? But different lengths. So the question I have for you is, what is the height here? 1. What is the height here? 1. So what did I multiply this side length by to get the new side length in M? Carson? 1. So that means for L and M to be similar, I must multiply the base length by 1 to get the new length. 1 times 4 is, it's not 12, is it? So are L and M similar? No, so they are not. Okay? All right. So the next question that I would like to have answered is C. We're going to talk about C, and then we're going to move back to B, A4 and B4. So Connor, could you explain what you were talking about when we were looking at L and J?
Okay, so I saw when I was looking at L and J, I saw that L's height was half of J's height. However, the area of either one was of L was J's area was 4 times as much as L. So that would mean that L would go into L. L would go into J 4 times, making it like I don't know. It seemed to me confusing because it even though it was the height and length were half of each other. Yes.
Just because, Reese, you have your hand like this doesn't mean I don't know you're talking.
So I saw that the that L's area was 0.25 times as much as J. So it looked like it was like 4. Like it went. The scale factor was almost like 4, even though the height and the length were twice as much as L's.
So, what would I multiply the side lengths of J by to get L? What would I multiply the side lengths of J by to get L? Josie? So 2 times 8 equals 4? Tess? 1/2. So the scale factor is dependent upon which figure you are going from and to create. So from L to J is 2, but from J to L is 1/2. What is the scale factor going from N to J? That is a good one to think about. We'll hold on to that. Owen, could you hit the door button? And Ryan, would you please show us what you noticed about L and N? L and N. And you can move that around if you want.
So, for L and N, up here it said that the scale factor was times 3 or 3. And so then, so you can see here that this, so the side length times 3 gets you to this one length times 3 gets you this long 3, or gets you 3 on this side, and then this is 4. So then 4 times 3 would get you to 1, that's 2, and then 3, so that gets you to 12. So you can tell that this is 1/3, or that the scale factor is 3. And then, so the area of the larger figure is 9 times as large, or is 9 times as large, because the area is 36 for N, and the area for L is 4. And so, and then the scale factor is 3, and 3 squared is 9. And yeah.
So if you multiply each side length by 3, 3 times 3 is
9.
So the area is always the scale factor squared times big. All right, I'm dismissing you 90 seconds late. You can get to class. Have a good day.
We have to do C for homework. We have to do C for homework.
You do not have to do C for homework.
Okay, so
Your only homework is what's on the sheet, which says nothing. So have a great day.
Oh, and then we have the essay,
The essay is due on Monday.
but no A's.
No A's. Have a great day. So we're a day back on the homework assignment sheet, so therefore we are going to do the quiz tomorrow. There's no homework due tomorrow. The what's it called? The unit project is due on Monday still. That is not changing. Thank you.
Didn't finish.
I don't think anyone finished the whole thing on paper, but we have discussed the whole thing, so I'm ready to move on. Everyone did what I asked them to do today. It's not fair if I tell you to do extra.
So for the unit project today,
And we're recording this for posterity's sake.
okay. So when you when you're talking about the strategies for the game, is that supposed to? Wait, no, sorry, that's not what I'm talking about. When you're talking about the rules for the game.